Past Mound City. TBI. Where you at? Eastbound by Mound City. Driver's out of the vehicle. He's walking back westbound. Come here! Come here! Come to me! Come to me! Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back. Are you the driver of that vehicle? Huh? I got one phoned out. He's advising he was a passenger. Get up. Get up. Stand up. Alright, I got him. I have no idea.
Where'd he go?
I don't know, sir.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. You idiot.
Good thing 1015 was one.
I'm hurt, bro.
Okay, I'll call you.
I'm hurt, man. Can I
Start me
please
at
call my
1016.
people, man?
Get up. Put your chest on the. Put your chest onto it.
I'm hurt, man. I'm hurt, man.
I got an ambulance coming. Put your chest on the hood. Do not stand up again.
I'm hurt, man.
Well, then laying down will probably help you out.
Oh, can y'all call my people, man?
Why would I worry about calling your people? Come back here.
Man, y'all just ran.
Have a seat. Sit all right.
Bro. I'm hurt, man.